Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking to work on some punching and you want to use an integrated target, aka game, that will serve 1 to 2 people, this video is for you. So this company right here sent this to me, said, Ryan, can you give us an honest review? Tell us what you think, but no way whatsoever this being provided to me fit this review. I'm just here to keep it real. So what do you all get? So you get this punching bag display. Kind of cool artwork there. It is already pre-lined with Velcro, and it does have built-in speakers because it is Bluetooth capable, so you can sync up and it will play music. So that was kind of cool. It is preloaded with some kind of upbeat type, sort of hip-hop-ish, sort of dance, but just really kind of high energy music. But the only time I really used it was Bluetooth because you like to listen to your music. From a dimension standpoint, it's about 2 feet, up and down, just kind of give you a visual as far as size of this. It does come with 4, so 2 sets, because this is used for up to 2 people at the exact same time. There is a 2-player mode, so you have 4 of these. This is what they look like, sort of padded. They go on Velcro style. Put your fingers in there, wrap it around, and you're good to go. And there's some kind of padding there. Very, I would say, simple and easy to use. So the Velcro straps that are provided, really there's enough to cut this in half, stick it up maybe in 2 different spots where you want to do this, and then you just stick it on and then pull it off if you want to relocate it. So there's enough Velcro where you can mount it twice if you want. It does come with a USB to USB-C because it has an integrated built-in rechargeable battery, so you have to change batteries or anything like that. You got about 6 feet. You got about a little over, actually, maybe, roughly 6 feet. It has a couple different modes. So there's a mode where you can adjust the volume up or down on this, or you can control that from Bluetooth. But it also has a mode to where if you just wanted to, for example, only highlight, let's just say, 2 of these, so you can put it in that mode, and then it's identifying which ones to hit. So you can adjust the volume up or down when it hits, and so when it does hit, if you miss the target, you're gonna get that sound and a visual, and then if you do hit the target, it's gonna give you sort of a punching sound. It's also going to register how many punches here because it just kind of has a game, but you don't have to do it in 2-player. You can do it as 1 player, and then it will track how many successful hits you had, sort of a goal setting standpoint. Then you can adjust the speed. So not only can you adjust maybe 1 or 2 of these, or 3 of these, or 4, or all 2, 4, 6 of these. So you have all these things to kind of work with from a double punching bag standpoint. You can adjust the speed. So you can either illuminate and have them all kind of working together, and you can adjust how fast they're moving so you can kind of keep up with it, because if you just miss it like that, you're gonna get that. It also has a mode where it will register the, I guess you can call it like punching power. It will register the strength of the punch, and then it will give you a value, and then another value. And so then from just a sheer raw strength, and I have yet to be able to max this thing out. I mean, wailing on this thing, it can take a beating. The material up close, it's like a rubber, like a thick rubber that has a little bit of give to it, obviously because it has to register it, but it's pretty durable. I mean, going to town on this thing, it holds up. And the finish, so if by chance you kind of hit off this, again, these have some padding, and this is pretty stout. It's pretty stout. So even if you kind of slightly miss it and you hit here, there's also some cushion on the back right here, on the sides all the way around, where it has a little bit of a give, which is just as a preventative measure to kind of help minimize potential damage, especially if you're going hardcore and by chance you miss this. So hopefully this answers any and all questions you might have about this. I would say very, very cool kind of self-sparring game, and we'll talk to you soon.